return to prove that if children wear reflective flashes on their shoes or clothes in dusk and darkness, it will help to reduce road accidents. Most of the children at Mount Charles School in St Austell are wearing the flashes as an experiment, and parents and friends have been issued with survey forms on which they'll report which reflectors show up best in the dark.
Walking to school in the winter gloom can be a risky business. Now there are two kinds of reflective flashes on test at Mount Charles which may cut that risk. Some of them are strips of material for the heels of shoes. Some are reflective smiley badges for outer clothing. The results of the survey will be sent back to the European Commission for analysis. It all began when three 11-year-old girls in Mr. Ken Rigby's class last year were thinking about the fact that 1986 is European Road Safety Year.
Well, we started off we were sitting in the classroom and we were talking about people on the roads, and Mr. Rigby, our teacher, said that it would be a good idea if we wore strips on the back of our shoes to stop people getting killed so much.
Now, Julie, when you wrote that letter to the EEC, what exactly did you say?
Well, we asked if there could be a law of wearing the strips on the back of children's heels or shoes. We thought of having it on the coats, but people wouldn't wear their coats, and so they wear shoes. So that's why we got the idea of putting them on shoes.
The Commission wrote back to say it wasn't so simple to make a new law, but why didn't the children get together to prove their suggestion would work? The manufacturers of the reflective material stepped in to help.
Us three wore one first, and then our class wore one, and then we just got into the hang of it to send them all around the school.
So, now you've sent them all around the school and you're having a project. Now, what exactly is this project going to prove?
To prove if it helps one or two people not getting killed on the road. It'd be an idea that might succeed.
And to launch the experiment today, David Penhaligon MP was at Mount Charles School.
I think the strips is a good idea. I wish you good luck with it. And those like me that got bigger feet than you have, you see, I'm better protected than you are because I have a bigger strip. I don't know if that's fair. Perhaps I ought to pass a law against that. Only people with big feet are allowed to use them.
The girls tabbed Mr. Penhaligon's shoes anyway, and he presented them with special reflective jogging suits as a reward for their efforts in drawing attention to the old see and be seen motto in an original new way.
Very good idea.
The Major